Hi everyone, this is Amy from Microblading Los Angeles by Tinted Liquid. Here we have a client with alopecia. Before I start eyebrow mapping, first I place little dots in the area where the brow bone is. This helps me determine his facial structure, so I know where to place the sticky ruler on his forehead. Then I mark the major points of the eyebrow, starting with the middle center, the front of the brow, the top arch, and the tail. Now that I have the structure of the eyebrow shape, I can now connect the points with the tinted mapping string. Once I have the points mapped out, I can go in and further detail the shape. After the first round of hair strokes, I apply the color mask and let that sit for 5 minutes. During this process, the second numbing gel has been applied. Right here, you'll see me going over the existing hair strokes and implanting more pigment. Next, I will be following up with shading to add more density to the brow. This is the before picture of my client. And the results after the procedure is finished. Thank you everyone for watching.